So I'm on stage in court, okay? Sometimes I can, go out there and really take some big risks. Other cases I can't. And, it's hard. You got to read the room. I took a big risk and I did the closing argument as a game show. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for America's favorite game show, Tell the Truth, where you, the jury, get to decide if this defendant was lying or telling the truth. For 25 minutes, sweat pouring down. I'm looking at the judge, he's like this. I look at the people in the audience, they're like this, and the jury's like this, and defense counsel has no idea what I'm doing. And it was an $8 million verdict on a case where they offered 50 grand.
My name is Breiter. I'm a trial lawyer and an actor. My passion is improvisational theater, and I've been teaching lawyers over the last 15, 20 years how to use the rules of improvisation to tell their clients' stories at trial.
I was born in the 70s in Miami Beach. Nice Jewish kid with a big family, 5 brothers and sisters. My sister was a drama teacher and a playwright. So anytime there was a role that needed to be filled, she would grab me and toss me up on the stage. And at an early age, I was brought up in front of an audience. When I went to college, I took a legal class and I realized in that moment, this is, I think, what I was meant to do. Law school did not prepare me to be a lawyer. If I want to be different, if I want to set myself apart from everyone else, I need a different skill set. Once I started to learn improv, it was like learning a new language. And I had such a great teacher, I became fluent in it pretty quickly. That's when I realized that the two are intertwined, and I knew that was going to make me a better lawyer, better storyteller. I came to visit my brother, who was living in Los Angeles at the time, and I went to go see a Groundling show. That's when I was like, holy crap, improv is everything to me. I can be a lawyer here in LA, just like I'm in Miami, and have more chance to do acting. After 5 years of practicing in Miami, moved to LA, became a California lawyer. On the day I passed the California bar, I started renting space here. Now I have the whole floor. With improv and with the practice of law, make your partner look good. In a courtroom, in a case, there's no script. And you have to be able to pivot on a dime on many issues in the case. There's no trial I've ever been in where anything went according to plan. Never once. Never one time. We have to be ready for anything and everything that walks through the door. We live minute by minute, hour by hour, second by second, and this verdict is for right now. The jury doesn't get to come back in 3 years and check on this person. It's right now, this moment. Jury, you need to get it right because it affects our client forever, for the rest of their lives. Improv to me means listening and taking the information and building on it, and then giving it to your partner or to your audience and building on it to tell a better story. And you can only do that really by being in the moment and listening. What we do as improvisers is we're influencing people, and that's what we do as attorneys. The group that I have put together is everything, and I am only as good as the team and my support around me. We do improv classes here in the office almost every week, and I know my guys have that skill. And I know the other side doesn't. And they have no idea how we're coming at them. I want every attorney at my office to be the best trial lawyer around. We're always trying to get better, always trying to be innovative, always trying to learn from others. Other firms bring me in to teach improv to their lawyers. They want that skill, and I want them to have it. It's a completely different language, the language of improvisation, and anybody in any field, in any part of life, would benefit from doing. Right now, I'm able to be the most creative I can be as an attorney, even as an actor, because I've learned how to harness these storytelling techniques that I've been developing with improv and with my group of trial lawyers, and we're doing so much interesting new ways of telling stories, of telling clients, journeys together. I love everything about what I do, and I fall in love with it even more every day. I didn't think I could. Some people say, oh, don't you get tired of it? I'm like, no, I'm just getting started.